Ping is a renowned American manufacturer of golf equipment known for amazing putters, irons, wedges, and woods. Ping golf equipment is used by many pro golfers, and they are number two on the PGA Tour with drivers, while being number three with irons, hybrids, wedges, and putters, according to PGAClubTracker.com. The company was founded by Karsten Solheim in 1959 following his frustration with his own putting game. Solheim started the company from his garage in California, and his engineering background led to the creation of a putter which made a ping sound when putting, which became the name of the company. The company's putters, such as the famous Answer putter, has been used to win thousands of professional golf tournaments around the world. Ping has remained a family-owned business with a strong commitment to customer service and custom fitting, ensuring that golfers can get the most out of their Ping golf equipment. Welcome back to another episode of Polymer E-Close, Ask Dr. Paul. Today we are going to highlight car tires. So when your boss talks about tire materials and manufacturing, what do you need to know? Tire manufacturing is a sophisticated process that involves assembling various materials into a green tire, which is then cured in a mold to give it its final shape and properties. The process includes several stages such as mixing, milling, building, and curing, each critical to the tire's overall quality. When building a tire working from inside out in station 1, the body ply is placed atop the inner liner on a circular jig and is slightly wider than the inner liner, and it is folded up and around the circular steel fibers called the tire bead. Then two sidewalls are placed atop the body ply on the outer edges of the ply, and it is folded down to create the uncured carcass. Working from inside out in station 2, the tread is placed atop two steel belts going in opposite directions on a circular jig. The assembly of station 1 is placed inside the assembly of station 2, meaning tread on the outside as expected, and the station 1 assembly is expanded so belts and tread fit inside and flush with the sidewalls. The carcass assembly is placed in a tire mold which contains a rubber curing bladder, and the mold closes. Then the rubber bladder expands using a high-pressure steam cure, forcing the tread layer against the mold, creating the tread pattern. This reminds me of extrusion blow molding, though I would call the process compression molding, and curing might take 15 to 20 minutes. So now we have a finished tire, and going from inside out to the tread, there is the inner liner, body ply, belts, and tread. And going from inside out to the sidewalls, there is the inner liner, bead, body ply, and sidewalls. The function of the inner liner is to contain air, so butyl rubber is the elastomer of choice, similar to ball bladders. A body ply is made of polyester fabric, and there is also a polyamide or nylon layer in which both plastic layers keep the more flexible rubber sections from excessive expansion and contractions in unwanted tire side-to-side movements with use and temperature. The tread on car tires is usually SBR for cost, or it could be a blend of natural rubber, SBR, and butadiene rubber, while the tread on truck and bus tires is natural rubber or it could be polyisoprene, and tread provides tire traction and grip with the road. Sidewalls are made from butadiene rubber since that is a material of choice, providing protection from curves and road damage. In summary, the materials used in car tires are selected for their specific properties, and the manufacturing process is designed to assemble and cure these materials into durable products to ensure tire performance and passenger safety. Knowing tire materials and manufacturing, that's working knowledge. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notification, and even share if you appreciate the content. You can visit our website to learn more about our upcoming Flexible Polymers course. I'm Paul Nash for Polymer E-Close. Ask Dr. Paul. Thanks for watching.